In this video, we will be adding and removing objects inside an image. We will also outpaint an image and change the image from this to this. I started to search for the base image on the internet, a modern living room. I am looking for a simple and clear image to work with. And this image also has a clean canvas hanging on the wall. Maybe I can fill the canvas with AI-generated painting. I will save the image and load it into Krita. I converted the image from WebP to JPG. Also, I did a small increase in size as well. Inside Krita, click Open Image. Select the image and open. Note that, while picking random images from the internet, a high-resolution image may result longer AI generation time. Keep the size around 1024 pixels. For the style, I am using the test style I created for testing. The checkpoint here is the Juggernaut XL model. This style prompt is some of the basics you will add with almost all the models. Best quality, high resolution. For negative prompt, low quality, low resolution, and blurry. The rest settings are at the default. I will start by removing an object. But how do I say it in a prompt? I can type, nothing, empty room, blank room. This keyword should be able to give the idea what I am expecting. Next, to select an object, I will use the free selector tool. I have used this in the previous live painting video. If you have missed it, I will share the link on the top right. I have selected an object with the shadow. When you select an area in the image, you will find this drop-down button. These are some different types of generation in the selected area. I will choose this Remove Content option. Make sure the strength is 100%, or else it will switch to the Refine Image mode. I will show that later. I will click Remove Content and check the result. I got the result after 15 seconds, and the selected object was gone. The object was removed without any trace with the shadow I selected. These are the two results generated. We can generate more or select any one of this and go ahead with the image. To select one, click the Apply option and a new layer will be in front of you with the selected option. Similarly, I am selecting the second object. And then click Remove Content button. The object was removed, and I got two options to select from. The second option has a lengthy sofa. I feel the first option is better, the one with shorter sofa. To remove the selected area, go to the Select option on the top and click Deselect. Next, I will try to add a puppy in this image. My prompt will be, a puppy on the carpet. I will select the area by the freehand select tool. From the drop-down, I will select Add Content. Make sure the strength is at 100%. After 13 seconds, I got the result. I think the second image is better. I selected the area and tried again. You can be descriptive in the prompt, like specifying the color, or if the puppy is sleeping. This one looks good. We can improve and increase details in the selected area. To do so, you have to decrease the strength to avoid changes in the subject. Decreasing the strength will show an option of Refine. Processing the image again will increase the details. This was unexpected. I realized I did not selected the puppy image after adding it to the image. The refinement happened on the carpet. I selected the puppy and tried again. The difference may not be much, but it works. Zooming the image should show us better. I will select the face and try refining it. And check the difference. Based on the low-resolution image, this is fine. What do you think? We can upscale such images later. I will make a video on upscaling. Next, I had the rectangle select tool. I will use to select this blank frame. I am not refining this time, so I will increase the strength. I am trying to remove this, and I will add other paintings on the wall. I am using the same prompt used before to remove an object. And then click Remove Content. I got the result after 10 seconds. Next, I wrote a prompt for the painting. Painting of a mountain, landscape hanging on the white wall. This should be the place for the painting. And then click Add Content. 13 seconds and the painting was ready. Both the paintings are good, but they do not fit well in this living room. I made changes to the prompt and added snow mountains. This was generated by the prompt, woman walking in rain. Next, I somehow selected the sofa. Wrote a prompt, a gray-colored sofa. And then clicked Add Content. I got some decent results in just 15 seconds. All three of these sofas are good. Let's increase the width of this image. To do so, go to the image on the top. Click Resize Canvas. You can increase the width of the canvas here, and click OK. The white portions you see on the left and right of the image are the increased area. With the help of the Rectangle Select tool, I will select this extra portion, including some parts of the image to blend in. From the Generation Type drop-down, select Expand. And the results are good. Just make sure to remove your older prompt. I forgot to give a prompt here, but still the results are good. This is the first result out of 3. The second result has something missing here. The first and third image are correct. I will again increase the width. This time by 400 pixels. With the help of the Rectangle Select tool, I will select both the sides. Press Shift to select both the sides. You can try selecting the original image, more than what I am doing. It may give you better result. I also wrote a prompt, not a sentence but some keywords like living room, furniture, painting on wall, indoor plants. This keyword should give an idea and extend the image accordingly. I got the result after 20 seconds. These are the results. What do you think? What I feel about this is, using this application is simple. You do not have to get into the complexity to get this simple task.